Every year, millions of workplace accidents occur across industries, from construction sites to offices. But here's the truth. Most of these accidents are preventable. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover the top 10 causes of workplace accidents, with real examples that could save your life or someone else's. Welcome SC Global Safety Services, where we help you stay safe, informed, and aware. On this channel, we talk about practical ways to prevent accidents and build a strong safety culture. Let's get straight into it. 1. Lack of proper training. One of the most common causes of workplace accidents is lack of proper training. When employees are not adequately trained, they may not understand the hazards associated with their tasks, the correct operating procedures, or the safety precautions required. This significantly increases the likelihood of errors and unsafe actions. In high-risk environments like fabrication, manufacturing, or construction, even a small mistake due to poor training can lead to serious injury or equipment damage. Let's take this example. A newly employed forklift operator was asked to move materials without undergoing proper certification training. While reversing, he misjudged the load balance and collided with a storage rack, causing the materials to fall and injure a nearby worker. Key point to note: proper training is not optional, it is a critical control measure. Every worker must be trained, assessed, and certified before handling equipment or performing hazardous tasks. 2. Poor housekeeping. Poor housekeeping is one of the most underestimated causes of workplace accidents. When the work environment is not kept clean and organized, hazards such as spills, scattered tools, loose cables, and obstructed walkways can easily lead to slips, trips, and falls, which are among the most common workplace injuries. In industrial settings like fabrication and galvanizing, poor housekeeping can also interfere with emergency response, block access to safety equipment, and increase fire risks. Let's take this example. In a workshop, hydraulic oil leaked from a machine and was not cleaned immediately. A technician walking through the area slipped on the oil, fell heavily, and sustained a fractured arm, resulting in lost work time and medical costs. Key point to note: good housekeeping is not just about cleanliness, it's a critical safety control. Regular inspections, immediate cleanup of spills, and proper storage of tools and materials can drastically reduce accident risks. 3. Failure to use PPE. Failure to use personal protective equipment, PPE, is a major contributor to workplace injuries. PPE is designed to protect workers from hazards that cannot be completely eliminated. However, when employees fail to wear the required PPE or wear it incorrectly, they expose themselves to serious risks. In environments like fabrication and galvanizing, hazards such as flying particles, chemical splashes, heat, and sharp edges make PPE absolutely essential. Let's take this example. A worker was grinding metal without wearing safety goggles. During the process, a small metal fragment flew into his eye, causing severe injury that required medical attention and led to temporary vision loss. Key point to note: PPE is your last line of defense, not your first option, but it must never be ignored. Always ensure the right PPE is worn, properly fitted, and maintained for the task. 4. Fatigue and stress. Fatigue and stress significantly reduce a worker's ability to concentrate, react quickly, and make safe decisions. Long working hours, night shifts, and high workloads can lead to both physical and mental exhaustion, increasing the likelihood of human error. Let's take this example. An equipment operator working extended overtime became fatigued and briefly lost focus while operating machinery. This resulted in a processing error that damaged equipment and nearly caused injury to a nearby coworker. Key point to note: fatigue is a hidden hazard. Proper shift scheduling, adequate rest periods, and workload management are essential to maintaining a safe workplace. 5. Unsafe use of equipment. Unsafe use of equipment is a major cause of serious workplace accidents. This happens when workers operate tools or machinery without following standard procedures, bypass safety guards, or use equipment for tasks it was not designed for. In high-risk environments, improper equipment handling can lead to catastrophic failures, injuries, or even fatalities. Let's take this example. During a lifting operation, a worker used a damaged lifting sling instead of replacing it. Midway through the lift, the sling snapped, causing the load to scud, fall, suddenly and nearly strike another worker. Key point to note: always use the right equipment, in the right condition, and in the right way. Pre-use inspections and adherence to procedures are non-negotiable. Subscribe for the next video on the 10 causes of workplace accidents.